So welcome back friends, this is Shubham and you're watching Wrestling Battle. Friends, we are on the road to WrestleMania and it's time for that first big bump, the Elimination Chamber. The pay-per-view has become an annual tradition in WWE and can provide quite the shake-up when it comes to WrestleMania plans. Titles can change hands and new challengers will emerge. There will be plenty of that going on this Sunday at Elimination Chamber pay-per-view, by which point it will be less than 7 weeks until night 1 of WrestleMania. Guys, in this video I'm gonna predict the results for the Elimination Chamber pay-per-view. That means I'm gonna predict that who is going to win the matches at Elimination Chamber pay-per-view. So guys, it's going to be interesting video, so watch this video till the end and please subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video. So guys, let's jump into this video. The winners of the Royal Rumble matches have the luxury of knowing their spots at WrestleMania are safe. That is something even the champions don't have at this point, especially if you are a Drew McIntyre. The Scot will be tasked with defending the WWE title against 5 other superstars inside the Elimination Chamber. McIntyre won't even have the benefit of entering the match at last. That honor goes to Sheamus. However, even though the Celtic Warrior pinned McIntyre on Raw, we think his former best friend will be returning the favor on Sunday and retaining his title. So friends, my prediction says that Drew McIntyre is going to retain his WWE Championship at Elimination Chamber against other 5 superstars. So this is my prediction. What's your prediction? Please do comment in the comment section. So talking to the next match, and next match is also an Elimination Chamber match, but this time this is from SmackDown. We are going to see multiple stars battle: Cesaro versus Daniel Bryan versus Kevin Owens versus Jey Uso versus King Corbin versus Sami Zayn. All the superstars are going to battle inside the Elimination Chamber match, and the winner is going to face Roman Reigns at the same day for the Universal title. There is an exciting mix of talent in this match. Kevin Owens winning and getting another shot at Roman Reigns could happen, and a Jey Uso victory would be very interesting. However, I see a Kofi Kingston like performance from Cesaro to win the match and earn his shot. So my prediction says that Cesaro is going to win this Elimination Chamber match and he is going to face Roman Reigns at the same day for the Universal title. Now talking to the match of Cesaro and Roman Reigns for the Universal title, no doubt this match is going to be very awesome. Cesaro is going to give a very tough competition to Roman Reigns, and Roman Reigns is going to face so many challenges from Cesaro. But my prediction says that Roman Reigns somehow is going to win this match and he is going to retain his Universal title. Talking to the US Championship, the US title scene is more lively than it has been for a while in WWE. Bobby Lashley may well have found his calling as US champion, which is both good news and bad news for the Hurt Business member. Bad news because he will still be hoping for the world title run in the future. At Elimination Chamber, he will be tasked with keeping his title away from Riddle and Keith Lee, 2 superstars with bright future in WWE. Their first main roster title reigns won't be starting this weekend, though we have got Lashley to retain this one. So my prediction goes to Bobby Lashley. He is going to retain his US title against both Keith Lee and Matt Riddle. So this is my prediction for this match. What's your prediction and what's your thoughts? Please do comment in the comment section. So talking to the next match, and the next match we are going to see at Elimination Chamber, that is for Raw Women's Championship. Asuka is going to defend her championship against Lacey Evans, but frankly speaking guys, I think that Lacey Evans is not going to wrestle this time because she addressed this week on Monday Night Raw that she is pregnant and reports is coming out she is expecting a baby. So I think that Lacey Evans is not going to wrestle at Elimination Chamber, but don't think that this match is going to cancel off because WWE is going to put someone in this match and I believe that Charlotte is going to add in this match. So we are going to see one more time Charlotte versus Asuka for the Raw Women's Championship, and anyone can win this match, but my prediction says that Asuka is going to retain the Raw Women's Championship. So talking to the next and the last match that WWE advertised for the show, and that is for the Women's Tag Team Championship. Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler are going to defend the championship against Sasha Banks and Bianca Belair at Elimination Chamber. Personally, I don't expecting any kind of title change in this match, but the interesting part would come out after the match. Personally, I believe that someone is going to attack, either Sasha Banks or Bianca Belair is attacking on her partner after the match, because we are expecting Sasha Banks versus Bianca Belair at WrestleMania 37. So this feud is going to start at Elimination Chamber, and anyone can attack on other. So I feel that at Elimination Chamber this is coming out as a shocker. Maybe Bianca Belair would turn heel, or maybe Sasha Banks. So this is my prediction for this match. What's your thought? What's your prediction? Please do comment in the comment section. So friends, this is my prediction for the Elimination Chamber pay-per-view. I hope you liked this video. If you want to say anything regarding this video or regarding Elimination Chamber pay-per-view, you can put your comment in the comment section. So guys, we will meet in the next video. For now friends, take care of family, take care of yourself. Bye bye friends, thank you for watching this video.